Hello friends, welcome to your own channel on artificial intelligence and machine learning. We are learning Python in a Q&A format. In this part of the session, I have come with you on a mathematical operator and logical skill development. In this, we have to write a program that will take an input from the user. For example, as shown below, you have to take an input, and that input you have to display it in year, month, week, and days format. You have to assume a year has 365 days and a month has 30 days. Obviously, a week has 7 days. For example, if the input is 452, then this has how many years? So it has one full year. How many full months? 2 full months. How many weeks? 3 weeks and 6 days. For example, if the input would have been 364, in that case, number of years would be 0 years. It would be 11 months, and then you have to see how many weeks and how many days. So try to develop the program for this problem statement. Request you to pause the video, write the code, and after completion, see the solution. Okay, I hope you would have written the program. Now see the solution. In case not, kindly try completing and then see the solution. So here is the code. Let me run it. I will take an input for 52 and then the logic. So what we will do is the input days, we will apply a floor division operator. This one is a floor division operator. It will give us the quotient part. So 452 divided by 365, in this case it will return a value 1. Then we will apply the modulus operator. This is a modulus operator. It returns back the remainder component. So in this case 452 minus 365, so whatever is the number of days, it will return back that. This remainder component, we once again apply the floor division operator. It will give the quotient, and then again the modulus function. It will return the number of days which are left. We then apply the floor division with weeks, 7 days, and finally the remainder which is left is the number of days. If we run this code with the input of 452, we get 1 year, 2 months, 3 weeks, 6 days. Let us run the code once again. This time I'll give 364 and see the output. 0 years, 12 months. Please understand, it is given 12 months because we have assumed 30 days in a month. As such, it is giving 12 months. 0 weeks, 4 days. This is the expected output. So what we have learned is 2 mathematical operators, floor division and modulus, and also how to develop logic to get this kind of a solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see in the upcoming session with a new problem statement. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.